What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Seek from Roblox doors. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page and draw a circle for the eye. We'll start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now from here we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of the eye. So up against the edge of the eye and bring that circle coming in and then back out. Now let's fill in the bottom of the eye, going around that highlight. Now from here we're going to draw the outside of the eyelid. On the left side of the eye, let's step out. Just going to curve this up above the pupil, and then bring that down on the right side towards the same height. Now let's draw on the bottom of the eyelid. Starting back over on the left, curve this down and in towards the middle, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to add some blood drips coming down from the eye. Starting right in the center, curve this down and then up. Come down a little bit lower, go up, and then bend that down. And then we'll just curve that back up towards the right side of the eye. Now from here, we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From this point, we're going to step out, curve the head coming down. I'm just going to bend that in, and then we'll add a drip. Coming in and down towards the bottom. Round this out, and then pull that back up. Let's curve this back down, go across, and then up towards the right. Now I'm just going to bend the head going out, and then up towards the same height that we have on the left. Now you want to leave a gap on the side of the head and draw the top. Let's step up on the left, curve this up. I'm going to round up the head, come across, and then bring that down on the right side. Let's add in the ears. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, come down the side, and just bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right, going up, bend this down, and then back in. Let's add a fold across the top of the eye. Starting on the left, bend this up, and then bring that down. Now I'm going to add a fold underneath the eye. Starting from the drip, bend this out, and then up with a short line. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then bring that down towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right, coming down towards the same height. From the hips, move to the center and step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now I'm going to leave a small gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left, curve the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to add a puddle across the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of the legs, we're going to step up, add a curve, going down and then up. From the heel, we're going to go all the way towards the outside and curve the top of the foot, going up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll leave a gap on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going up toward the top of the foot, and then bending that down. Let's go back to the outside of the foot and add a curve, coming down and then in with a short line. Let's move back up to the hips and draw the side of the leg, going out, and we'll bend that down on top of the feet. Now we're going to place that puddle along the bottom of the feet. From the bottom corner, step up, curve this around, and then bend that in. Let's add another curve, going around, in towards the middle, and then up. Come down and across towards the right, and then bend that up. Let's add a small curve along the bottom. Now I'm going to wrap this around the side of the right foot, going out, and then back in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we're going to hook the thumb coming in and then down. And then we'll taper that back up and out toward the hand. Let's add in the first finger. Curves out and then down towards the tip. And we'll just taper that back up and in. Let's go halfway along the outside of the finger, draw the second finger going out and down, pull that back up and then in. Now we're going to tuck the third finger in behind. So we'll start on the side, go up, and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now to curve the arms coming back in underneath the head. Let's start from the wrist, then the arm going up, and then in. Now we're going to add some drips inside the body. Let's start from the arm, curve this down, and bend that up. Let's go to the bottom left side of the body, come down and up. Then add another smaller curve along the inside. Add one on the top right. Let's add a drip on the right arm. And add some across the legs. Let's start on the left side, come down and up. And again, adding a smaller one on the inside. Add one drip on the right. Let's add some drips coming down from the arm. We're going to start from the inside of the left arm, bend this in and then down. Round out the bottom, go up and bend that in. Let's add a smaller one on the right side, coming out, and just pull that back up towards the arm. Let's add a drip coming from the hand. Start from the tip, straight down, round this out, pull that up, round up the top, add a smaller drip along the inside, pull that up, and then in towards the thumb. Let's add one more drip on the right finger, coming in and down. And then we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Seek from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.